The welcome screen appears whenever you start CorelDRAW or Corel PHOTO-PAINT. With the welcome screen, you can quickly start a new document, open a recently used document, or choose a design from a template. Here you'll also find some discovery files that can help you get started quickly by walking you through a simple project step by step. You can choose a workspace that suits your needs. Access online learning videos and other learning resources, and get inspired by a gallery of original artwork created with CorelDRAW. The store gives you access to CorelDRAW Graphics Suite's free bonus content and shows other creative assets available for purchase. Any installed free or purchased content will appear under My Library. And finally, if you're looking for help, the welcome screen gives you access to Corel's support team, plus the vibrant and supportive CorelDRAW community.